everybody, my name is Jacob Sheets, your Wisconsin realtor, and Alan Kroll and I are excited to show you our newest listing, 4176 Bluff Circle in Fish Creek, Wisconsin. Your new, up north, lake home. This home boasts 4 beds, 4.5 baths, 4,680 square feet, is stanced on this one-of-a-kind, almost 2-acre bluffside lot overlooking all of Fish Creek, making it the most unique property in all of Door County. All this can be yours for $1,749,000. Located just minutes away from the waterfront boat access, quaint downtown shops and eateries, and the iconic 3,700-acre Peninsula State Park, complete with campsites, hiking trails, a sandy beach, observation tower, golf course, lighthouse, and performing arts theater. This central Door County location can't be beat. Now the moments you've been waiting for, let's go take a look inside. Intentionally left wide open, we invite you to maintain the charming details that make this a relaxing Door County getaway, or bring your own designs and personal touches to make this home truly yours. Breathe in peace and a slow pace of life, watching boats come and go from the harbor, the annual 4th of July fireworks on the barge, and even daily sunsets on the water. Easily transform the basement rec room into an expansive entertaining space, or even a massive in-home gym. Reach out now with the information either on the screen or in the comments and description below to schedule a showing, fall in love, and write an offer. Also, be sure to connect with us on all of our social media platforms to get connected. Thank you.